In this video, I want to show you how to calculate X and Y coordinates of point features in ArcGIS Pro. For example, I have this series of points. If I want to find out the X and Y coordinates of each of these points, it is very easy to do that in ArcGIS Pro. And to do that, the first thing to do is to check the coordinate system of your current map and the layer you are working with. So for example, to check the coordinate system of this current map, come to map here, right click and click on properties. When it opens, come to coordinate system. You can see the current coordinate system is WGS 1984. Now let me close this. Also check the coordinate reference system of the layer you are working with. So right click, come to properties, then come to source and come to spatial reference system. If I scroll down, you can see the coordinate reference system is WGS 1984 as well. So let me close this page. Now that we have established the coordinate reference system of our map and that of the data, to calculate the X and Y coordinates of each of these points, open the attributes table of this very layer. So to do that, right click the layer and click on attributes table. This will open the attributes table of the layer. As you can see, we have a series of attributes here. Now, for us to calculate the X and Y coordinates of each of these points, from here you can see that we have about 37 points. To calculate the X and Y coordinates of each of these points, we need to create two new fields for X and Y. So to do that, come to this option called Add Field. Click on it. So it will bring these options. So here we want to name the field as X. Then choose the data type. Click here. Click on the drop down. We want to select double. The reason why we are selecting double is to give room for decimal numbers. After you have chosen double, we want to create another field for Y. So you can click on create new field on this very icon. When you click on it, it will bring this page where you enter the name of the field as Y. And also we want to choose the data type as double. So after you have created X and Y field, then click on this option called save. Click on it. The field we created will be saved. Yes, you can see that it has been saved. So we can now close this. Then when we go to the layer attribute table, you can see that two fields has been added. X and Y field has been added. Now to calculate the X and Y coordinates for each of the points, what you need to do is to calculate it field by field. What that means is that we calculate for X, then calculate for Y. And to do that, come to this field called X. Right click on top, and here you can see calculate geometry. Click on calculate geometry. Yes, it will open this calculate geometry page. Now here input feature will be the layer, that is the points feature we want to calculate X and Y for, which has been automatically selected. Then here you have to choose the field. Remember that the field we want to calculate for is X. So click on this drop down and select your field, which is X. Then the property here, click on this drop down and select point X coordinates. Then the coordinates format, click on the drop down. I want it in decimal degree. I'll select decimal degree. Then the coordinate system, I want it to be the same as my data. So I will select my point data, or you can select also the current map since they are the same. So after you have done this, click on apply. And click on OK. So you can see that X coordinate for each of the points has been created or calculated. Similarly, to calculate the Y coordinates, come to this Y field, right click it and click on calculate geometry. This will open page. The same way, select the input as your point features, and this time around the field we want to calculate is our Y field, and then the property we want to calculate, click on the drop down. This time around is point Y coordinates, select it. Then the coordinates format, I want it to still be decimal degree. Similarly, the coordinate system is the same as my data or layer. So after you have done that, click on OK. You can see the calculation of geometry attribute is ongoing. Yes, you can see that it has calculated the Y coordinate for each of the points. You can see it here. So after calculating the X and Y coordinate for each of these point feature, what you can do is you can copy it to Excel. And to do that, come here and highlight all. Highlight all. After highlighting all, you can see the options here called copy. So click on it to copy it. Then you can open an Excel sheet, right click and paste that very data you copied. You can see it here. And here you can see our X and Y coordinate for each of the points. So from here, you can continue to do further analysis. But in essence, this is how to calculate the X and Y coordinate for point features in ArcGIS Pro. I hope you like this tutorial. Like this video, share it, support us by joining our channel membership. Thank you for watching. And if there is any video you want us to do in any of the GIS software, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.